Hello guys, welcome back to the most realistic and top crypto technical analysis channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at some market cap, XRP, Ethereum and of course BTC. If you're enjoying and learning from the contents, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's start from looking at what happened in the last 24 hours in the market. 1 billion worth of BTC and altcoins, longs and shorts, were liquidated yesterday as a result of a minor dump. As usual, market is over leveraging. Over 25%, 1 billion belongs to XRP army, and the other 25% belongs to the BTC. You can see this all exchange, the major exchange, liquidation 1 billion, longs literally 80% plus longed at resistance, again over leverage, shorts only 20%, and as a result that's what you can see. So let's have a look at XRP. XRP over 24 hours, 256 million that you can see. BTC is 264. So you can see over 25% of that 1 billion belongs to the BTC, and the other 25% belongs to XRP. XRP army bleeding badly. And I have this DM yesterday from one of my followers, took it long 5 times XRP, because he thought that we will be actually, the dump is already finished, and he tried to take a long from here. However, I said I exited from this trade with a 40% plus profit. You can follow me via YouTube and Twitter so you won't miss this type of sweet trades. That is actually with 1 times leverage price, percentage 43. And usually minimum, with a minimal risk, you can just do it 3 to 5 times. 5 times it would have given you already 200% plus. And yeah, when I post the post, please read it carefully. These are not financial advice. This is an educational content. If you want to take a trade, take at your own risk. I want to show XRP, the nature of the coin. The reason that I'm showing is every coin has its own nature and characteristics. You can see since 2017, hard pump, hard dump, a big consolidation, and you can see extreme hard pump and then hard dump back again. I will call this Dubai's Burj Al Khalifa. Especially when we look into a BTC pairs, you can see beautiful 2 towers. And you can see it, again, it pumped, it dumped more than this level, which is 60 level. Again it pumped, again it dumped more than this 48 level. As you can see, been accumulating nearly 2 years, and you can see it, we pumped, I said exactly, there could be a stop, and we dumped really hard. This is a 2 days candle, so you need to be careful. If you love this project, if you're an investor, you really need to know what is going on with the company, what are they doing, who are their CEOs, because I read it in recent times, the CEOs actually since that time dumping the coins, millions of dollars worth of coin they are dumping to investors. So you need to be aware of those things. And also, as an investor, I do not recommend to the people to invest into crypto. Maybe you can invest to Bitcoin, think about Ethereum, but rest of the coins is not really stable. That one of them is, you can see it, how they smashed XRP army. If you want to trade, you can trade it. You just know the levels. You buy it from here, break out, ride it, and sell it over here. You're still in a profit. You're going to take that short. We took it the day before yesterday, and we have literally over 200% profit that you saw. Let's look into BTC pairs. This is again 2-day chart. That you see extreme pump, and hard dump. Again hard pump and hard dump, especially this week. You don't want to see such a wicks. Some of the coins, they are very famous with a stop hunting wicks. And again hard pump, hard dump in a 2-3 days pump, and again keep dumping the coins. The recent nearly 2 years accumulation, and that gave a hype. People thought that we're going to the $1 or 6,000 satoshis, 8,000 satoshis, previous highs. However, as you see the result, actually, those ones who bought it 1,600 satoshi, now the price is 900. It came all the way to the 900, 1,000 satoshi. You need to know what are you trading, the nature of the coins, how the coin reacts to the market. If you're enjoying and learning from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get the top technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's move on to Ethereum. I would like to mention that higher time frames are bullish. However, 1 hour to 4 hour time frames are underwater, and we saw it 1 hour time frame the other day. Once we lost 640, we dumped a bit, retested again the 630 level. It couldn't cross the level that we were waiting. Yesterday I was mentioning as long as we break above 630, 640 clean breakout, we can take a long. However, BTC didn't allow, and as a result we dumped. And then now we are in a bear zone on the 1 hour time frame. Same thing that you can be witness of on the 2 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the parallel channel. As you can see, that parallel channel, it gave on the 4 hour time frame. This candle tried to break it, however the other one didn't allow, and it printed beautiful bearish engulfing. Since then we went, and literally from the week, 2 weeks, we got rejected and we entered back to the channel. Now we have a fib level that I want to show you. You're going to take that fib level all the way from swing high to the swing low, recent swing low, and you can see it how it's matching again with our fib levels. 0.236 is matching with our lower parallel channel, and most importantly the mid channel actually matched nearly with our golden pocket 618 zone. And guess what, this zone actually, as I've been mentioning last 72 hours, as long as we cross successful clean breakout 630 40 area, we are good to go for the long. If not, we will be consolidating around here, and it will give a beautiful short very soon. So that level you need to watch out. 0.5, we can even go to the 0.6, and from there to the south. So for now, I would say under 4 hours we will be start consolidating, and we will see the clear direction in the coming days. Let's take a look at our horizontal support and resistance lines. As you can see, horizontal support and resistance lines, this line is very important. It is 630 600 zone. So upper line, it matched 618, and it covered 0.5 as well as nearly 382. This is extremely important level, and you can see it's just week to week, dollar to dollar, rejecting from 382. Again, as you know, take it along 618, otherwise wait a consolidation. If we could not manage to cross 0.5 or 618, then to the south. Instant updates always will be via Twitter, Crypto Magnate 8. And if you have a reasonable questions regarding TA or want to learn the TA or consultation, my DM is always open. Follow me via Twitter as well as the YouTube so you don't miss such a trades. Shorting with 1 timestamp counting 43% plus profit. Let's move on to the BTC. Before we move on to the chart, I want to draw your attention. Early morning's update. I updated this early morning. As you can see, this circle, it was literally dollar to dollar rejection from 0.25. However, I said $23,070 must hold, and as you can see, it's acting properly. So I said dollar to dollar rejection from lower time frame to upper rejection, which confluence with 0.25 fib level. And we didn't want to lose actually this level, otherwise we would be facing 0.382. 4 hours ago I updated again, and under 2 hours, 1 hour as well as 4 hour, you can see it, the head and shoulder, potential head and shoulder, as it was mentioned in the last post. 0.25 is a crucial zone, and it did hold dollar to dollar. However, lower time frame is not strong enough. I'm talking about 1 hour time frame. If BTC cannot manage it, then the next target price zone will be the 0.382 fib level, which is 21,600, 21,700 zone. Long scenario has already been given via YouTube channel days ago. So let's move on to the chart. As you can see how 0.25, this line played out extremely well and rejected dollar to dollar, and this is what we were expecting. Early morning that you see, it got rejection, and again it went, it came back, retested again, exact dollar to dollar. Since then, 1 hour is a bit struggling, like consolidating around here. If we look into 2 hour chart, it's slightly weaker, however it's still healthy and bullish. As I showed, potential head and shoulder pattern. So the neckline, if you're going to calculate, neckline will be around here again, 0.25. So I expressed in my previous videos, support and resistance zone is extremely important. That, as you can see, we've been following these levels that you can see under 2 hours. This is our low time frame support and resistance zone 1. So you can see from days that it's been playing amazingly. So literally around 15 hours we're inside this zone. What we can say is long already been provided in previous videos, which you know we have to break 24,100, 24,200, and then we are able to take some action. However, it's slightly early to talk about the long. We are in a consolidation zone under lower time frames, and as you can see, no matter what patterns are we going to play, our support and resistance zone are very, very important. The next support and resistance, as you see, exactly just matched nearly 0.25. So that's the upper line of this resistance line. So once we're going to break, you can see exact match again, lower line with a 382. The next target will be, if this head and shoulder pattern plays, I'm expecting to come to 382 level. If we're going to take head and shoulder pattern from the head to the neckline, you're going to take it right from here and then break out from 2.5, and then the target zone, the potential target zone is around 0.5. However, in the previous videos there was similar pattern, again I think head and shoulders, and I said we cannot go towards to this line because we have extremely hard support lines around here. As you witnessed, actually we didn't cross even $1 from this level, whatever it was, I can't remember now. That is what I'm seeing now. I don't think it is very hard. Is it happens? Yes, maybe just a wick comes and then it just goes back. It is possible. However, these zones are extremely strong. I'll be targeting in the beginning this 382, and then I will see the price action, how it reacts from there. However, my first and initial, if the head and shoulder rule plays, 382 seems strong to me. To back it up, my idea, you can see the parallel channel as well. We've got parallel channel literally here. This is another support zone for the BTC in the coming days if the head and shoulder pattern plays. The reason I was telling is, this is, as you can see, lower time frame support resistance lines. However, we've got higher time frame support and resistance. To break actually 382, it's extremely hard. That's why I'm not expecting, even if it happens, it may happen around 21,500-ish zone. Let's see what will offer the BTC in the coming days. I'm expecting some sort of calmness in the market in the coming days. We will see how it plays out, but nothing to worry. All high time frames, 2 hours, I would ideally say 4 hour and above, all looks extremely bullish. There is nothing to be bearish at the moment. It's just consolidation zone, and we'll have to be patient and then wait and see how it plays out. If you're enjoying and learning from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.